Santos Big Ben. We talked about at the start of the game, free throws. Ginebra will get many opportunities. They have had 12 more opportunities than Air 21. Pero ano ang gagawin nila sa mga free throw na yan? So Beck gets a split. And that will cut down Air 21's lead to 4 points. With 1:25 remaining in this ball game, lahat po nung gusto na sanang mauna, palabas ay napatigil. 4 points separate both teams. Both teams hoping to arrange a dinner for two with the Coca-Cola Tigers in a knockout game on Sunday. Tingnan natin dito, Miko, if Air 21 will be able to get into their offense. Last couple of possessions, everyone just standing around. Uh-oh, getaway. Blocked by Rafi Rivas. Here's Kagiwa. Tubin has the ball. Tubin all the way for two. It is just a 2-point ball game. Although, I think we need to take a second look at that layup by Arwin Santos because it appeared that it hit the board. Tumama na sa backboard yung layup ni Arwin Santos. Ang tanong doon kung meron pag-asa pumasok yung bola na yun. But it obviously hit the board first. Nevertheless, tuloy-tuloy tayo rito. 2-point ball game. Air 21 holding on for dear life. With 1 minute and 6 seconds to go, Gary Lemon is still at the backcourt. Got 8 seconds of backcourt violation. Miko, how big was Jack Chia having to go out? Ibig sabihin nun, nawalan sila ng ball handler because of that injury at nabigyan ng pagkakataon itong Barangay Ginebra, ipasok si Ronald Tubin who played excellent defense right there and was responsible for the last layup. And so Ginebra is just down by 2 with 1 minute to go in this knockout game. Here's Elterbrand. Lots of time to shoot here for Ginebra. 12 on the shot clock. And Joey Chico just wants to make sure. Because his team is down by 2 with 51 seconds to go in this do-or-die showdown. For a layup. And then it was blocked by Rafi Rivas. Ito po yung nangyari dyan. So, malinaw, no? Tumama muna sa backboard. And I guess the contention of Barangay Ginebra, and I believe the referees, was yung bola ba na yun pagkatapos tumama ng backboard, meron pa bang pag-asa pumasok? And then, ito naman yung sagot ng Ginebra, they scored. And that's why, with less than 50 seconds to go, Ginebra is down by just 2. And here's Rivas. Big to tie, wild shot. Way off. Air 21 holding on to this 2-point lead. Here's Arwin Santos. Del Campo for the dagger! Straight and through, right through Ginebra's heart. You know, that is the dagger that may have slayed the king. Grabe yung tinira. Ito si Ranidel Del Campo. This is just an unconscious shot. All faith in making this shot. It is a 3-point shot. Di lang kailangan ng 3-point shot. Marias had an excellent ball game up to this point. Bakit hindi? Why don't I be the man to take away the crown from Barangay Ginebra? Huge TM3 mula kay Ranidel Del Campo. And now Ginebra is down by 5. As you look at the game reset, may tig-isang time out pa ang dalawang kupunan. Both teams are in the penalty. You know, what a swing of emotions. On one side, yung Barangay Ginebra chance to tie, and all of a sudden, that 3-point shot, it's Air 21's ball game once again. So what will Ginebra do? Elterbrand for 3. Kagiwa. Salvacion for 3, no. Kagiwa, no. And Kramer gets the basketball, and looks like we're going to have a Sunday knockout date between Air 21 and Coca-Cola, barring any miracle of biblical proportion.
Well, unang-una, Vico, bago mangyari yan, if Doug Kramer misses at least one, bukas pa rin ang pintuan para dito sa Barangay Ginebra. But if you told me at the start of the season na mawawala ang Barangay Ginebra at ang talk and text bago tayo umabot ng quarterfinals, I would have never believed you.
Not since 1985 has anyone successfully defended the crown. It looks like Ginebra will likewise fail in defending the All-Filipino Championship. And so with 5 seconds to go, Arwin Santos and the Air 21 Express will oust Ginebra.
And actually, most of the Ginebra players are already out of the basketball court. Wow, that's not gonna count though.
but just the same, pasok naman yan sa ating countdown. Ang masakit nito,
Astig place.
hindi nakaka-counted, turnover pa.
That has been the conference so far para sa Barangay Ginebra.
Oh, that hurts.
So actually, Mark Caguioa already out of the court.
Half of the team of Ginebra wala na sa court. Ganun po kasakit. Ito kanilang pagkatalo, pero ganun namang katamis ang pagkapanalo ng Air 21. Winnie Arboleda snatching this victory for the Express. And of course, Ronald Dube used to play alongside Winnie Arboleda, but he's now on the other side of the fence. Improving in the rest of the Jenkins and start planning for the next conference. But for Air 21, they move on to that knockout game on Sunday against Coca-Cola. Final score 119-110. Yan ang final score natin sa inyo na San Miguel Beer Dale Pilsen. Ang beer na walang katulad. And this was the absolute game-turning point.
Now this really hurt. Ito 3-point shot ni Rani Del de Ocampo. Ginebra was in the ball game, had a chance to tie on one end. Pagbalik nila, Rani Del de Ocampo, still so much time on the clock, making that three-pointer.
Brought to you by Gatorade, is it in you? And what a game for the snatcher, Winnie Arboleda.
An easy choice for us, Winnie Arboleda with his 32 points. And look at this stat, Vico. 10 rebound. Pinag-usapan na natin yung 7 niyang three-pointers. Dagdag mo pa yung 4 na assists niya. Siyempre, nakasnatch siya ng isa. And the key stat for Winnie Arboleda sa larong ito, 0 turnovers.
Excellent ball game for Arboleda, and therefore, our knockout game on Sunday, it will be between ASI Taulava and the Coca-Cola Tigers against Air Force 21, the most athletic team in the